What's up, man? Yeah, I am super excited for this. You have no idea. Like, I can't believe, like, getting to do this, because, you know, I like I told you before, I wanted to implement all the underwater stuff in the channel, because, like, I don't know, I kind of don't know what I'm doing, and you letting me come out and do this is just awesome. I'm super excited, man. I'm super excited. Can't wait to get out there. I was planning on, I did get the new camera. I don't have the housing unit for it yet, though, so I was planning on getting, planning on bringing the GoPro. Will that get me by? Alright, so, believe me, I want to take the big camera. That would be awesome. I just don't have the housing unit yet. Alright, I'll see what I can do. I'm gonna start getting my stuff together, and I'll see what I can do about the housing unit. And you know, if nothing else, then I'll just bring the GoPro. All right, perfect, man. I'll talk to you later. All right, bye. You know that I want to take on this trip, and you know that, like, I love this round thing here that twists and does I don't know what. I think it's just there for looks, but it looks great, and I love it. But I am worried about you on this trip. So, would you be offended if I asked you to stay home for this one and just take the GoPro? Look, no, it has nothing to do with me liking the slimmer models. You know that that was a long time ago. It's not who I am anymore. I much rather prefer the big, bulky, thick models. No, I don't mean bulky in a bad way, okay? I'm sorry. Look, I love you. I'm just worried about your safety on this trip, okay? But no, it has nothing to do with you. Your camera, you can't wear bikinis. Stop it. I don't know if you've seen yourself lately, but you're not exactly cut out for underwater use without a housing unit. No, weatherproof and waterproof are two completely different things, okay? Weatherproof means a light rain isn't going to screw up your system. But if I take you 30 feet below the surface of the water, you're not coming back, okay? It's not going to work. So, I don't know what to tell you. So, can we just let this go, and I'll take the GoPro, and we'll just use that. I mean, it's not going to be great, but it'll be, you know, at least it'll be something. Just give me a second. Let me think of something. Let me think. Shh. Let me think. Just give me a minute. Can't do a raffle. Because that's kind of against the law, because we're not a not-for-profit. We need to be a not-for-profit to do a raffle, because raffling is a form of gambling, and we're not about that, so that's never going to work. Great idea. Wish we could do it, but can't do it. There's got to be something else that we can do. I'm not selling the truck. Stop asking about that. I know. I kind of need a new one, but not important right now, okay? It works fine. I'm going to drive it till it craps out on me completely, so just come on. Realistic ideas. Come on. Think of something. No, I'm not selling the GoPro. It's useful. That won't even get us anywhere close to what we need. I'm not calling my dad for the money. No. Stop. Come on. Oh my God. Wait. Shh. I just got a great idea. Might be a long shot, but I think it'll work. No, because there's all these, like, psychotic, crazy women that, like, watch the channel on a regular basis that like to spend money on Rio's art. Yeah, you see where I'm going with this? Yeah. So, what if we did an auction and sold all of Rio's artwork? I think that's a great idea. I think it'll work. I think if we drive enough people to it, we can, like, punch the goal in the face as far as, you know, the price of the housing unit goes. What do you mean, how do we convince her? Well, there's a couple ways we can do this. We can just, like, tie her up and, like, lock her out of the studio and just sell everything without her, not tell her, or, you know, keep her from interfering. Or, let's see if we can get that. Let me duck down. Let me get out of the shot here. Oh yeah, look at that. You see that? You see that? Things like that are not possible without reference photos. High quality reference photos. So, I think that's how we get it. We convince Rio that we need a housing unit for reference photos for things like that. Because that's beautiful. And she can't do things like that without reference photos. And she can't just take reference photos off the internet, because that's kind of stealing. And we don't want that. We're not thieves. We're not thieves here. Rio and Sace Corporation. So, we gotta get Rio in here. We gotta convince her that we need the housing unit. Then we need to convince her to sell all of her artwork to get the housing unit. Yes. Yes. And then we'll buy a hot tub. Exactly. And then you and I can have our hot tub time. You in the housing unit, of course. No, it won't make you look fat. Trust me. Make you look, you know, sexy as hell. Like, more sexy. So, now we just have to get Rio in here and convince her of this. Let's see if we can get her to come down here. Rio!
What's Sace?
Were you standing there the whole time?
No, Sace.
You didn't hear any of, like, that argument that went on, did you?
Are you having trouble with your camera again, Sace?
Shut up.
She's kind of a moody thing, isn't she?
Shut up.
Demanding all of your time.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. Complaining about the things she can and cannot do.
Only focusing on that thing on your face and the paint in your hair.
I am painting my hair because I have to work every day, Sace, to support your habits.
Speaking of my habits.
Gotta close the door, it's cold in here. What habits, Sace? What? What do you want?
So, you know how you like to paint the ocean?
The ocean is my favorite. Yes, Sace, I know how I like to paint the ocean.
Okay, and you know how we're kind of running out of reference photos from our friends to use to paint the ocean?
Yes, Sace, I'm painfully aware that we are running out of reference photos from our friends to paint the ocean.
So, how do you feel about doing an auction?
We're gonna auction off the dog. I think Toofy will bring a lot of money. Toofy, do you wanna go live somewhere else?
Don't joke about that.
He did not think that was funny.
My dog, my computer, and my camera are the only things that actually appreciate me. So, if you could, like, not try to sell those things, I would appreciate that.
Really, Sace?
Yes.
What are we gonna auction off, Sace? A bunch of fan stuff? I don't think that that Duckacorns will bring much money. What do you want the money for anyway, Sace?
We need a housing unit for the camera so that I can get...
And your trip to Costa Rica?
Yes.
Did you tell the fans that you got invited to do a major internship with one of the greatest cinematographers of the ocean of all times?
I was getting to that.
Okay, well, I got to it first because you're dumb and take too long to tell stupid stories.
Thanks. Anyway.
Sace, I have an idea.
I was gonna ask...
Sace, I have an idea! What if we auction off all my art? Oh my God! That is so funny. That is such a great idea.
Blah 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 blah.
We could do an auction on February 3rd and 4th, all day, all night, till it's all gone. Because we need to send Sace to Costa Rica. Who's with me? High five! Bam! High five! Bam! High five! Bam! 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 High five! How's that, Sace? You think they'll come? You've all been invited to a party
At the Rio Sace channel. Blah 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 blah.
Here to tell you, the bids are gonna start low, and you're gonna get to win a bunch of crap. Well, it's not crap. Don't call it crap, because it's like all my paintings. So, you're gonna get to win a bunch of paintings, and your heart is gonna be full of love and joy for yourself because you have contributed to the education of the Sace from the Rio and Sace show.
Hi, that's me. Hi.
Because it's a big deal, okay? I'm just here to tell you, it's a really big deal. And then we have to go, because we have traveling things to do this year. So we have to get in the pool and do the refresher course before he can go, and it's like a big deal. So we need the housing unit so that we can do that, because this camera is priceless. Needs to be protected under the water. Are you with me? Are you with me? Yes, you're with me. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe, tickle the bell
You're
so
bad
you
at
know
this.
that
You need
you
to stop.
Shut up, Sace!
Just stop. You're awful at that. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to tickle the like button, subscribe, share with all your friends, force everybody that you've ever come in contact with to watch videos. It helps out a lot. Then make sure you check out our other channel, Rio Sace, up close and way too personal. It contains all of our live streams, all of our fan mail, and all the vlogs that really don't ever happen. And we'll see you guys in the next one.